trying to fix a microphone problem. How the fuck? Give me a second. That's not right. That's annoying. That is definitely not right. Right. There we go. Oh, dude, that is a beautiful picture, I have to admit. Anyway, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. I'm back. Welcome back, whatever. I'm all from, I think it was 10. Was it 10? 11? I think 10, 11, 12, all the way to now, which is like 8:41 a.m. I've been messing around with my microphone, and I'm using the Focusrite audio interface right for my microphone. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out why I have so what I did was I removed my XLR cable from my audio interface and just cranked the gain volume all the way up, put on air mode, and I realized that this white noise ain't background sound. It's not my background. It's literally coming from my Focusrite in general. I don't honestly think it's a grounding issue. I think it's literally a hardware issue, to be honest. Or I think it's the Focusrite in general. Because I've been at this for years. I've been at this issue for years where I'm getting white noise in my audio interface, and I don't know how to properly fix it. I've done a couple YouTube videos and forums, and I can't find the solution. If anyone watching this video knows the solution, leave your comments down below. But I plugged it into I've had it in my desktop, and then I tried out my laptop. None worked. Used I basically did all the solutions. Nothing worked. I isolated it to literally the device itself. So the microphone is okay. So the microphone is okay, but whenever I turn up the gain volume, I get static. High amounts of static. But this is one reason why. It isn't. No, that can't be the reason. It's the third gen, by the way. Oh, this is frustrating. Anyway, so yeah, right now I'm trying to figure out how to possibly fix up. Also, that's because I want to make sure that my stuff looks okay, to be honest. You see that? That's annoying. If you caught that. For one reason I don't like sticking around here. It's pathetic. Anyway, and that's how I get this picture, is I crop and stuff. But if I ever want to use, who the fuck builds a housing community next to a shooting range? The HOA. Now deal with it. And shut up and keep your garage door open for the whole entire day and night. And if you complain, I'm gonna give you $100 fine. Just so later on you can sue me in court. Oh my gosh, your car literally just made a penis sign. What am I supposed to do about it? I'm fining you $100,000. Take on the court. I've seen so many HOA freaking horror stories on YouTube, and I'm just. HOAs are a legit joke. They are a fucking joke. You know who creates HOAs and a bunch of narcissists that